It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make Carbonara Toast. It's two words together, carbonara, the pasta, carbonara, and toast. So now you can imagine what this toast is all about. Everything about carbonara, which is the salty, meaty pancetta, delicious Parmesan cheese, and the egg. Instead of toasting with the noodles, we're putting on top of the toast. So excited, so excited. It's been like super trendy in Asia, so yeah, I'm super excited because you guys love trendy Asian recipes. So that's what I'm doing today. So first thing is first we need honey butter, which is 1.5 tablespoon of room temperature butter, and same amount of honey, and just mix everything together. See, when butter is room temp, it's so much easier to mix. This honey butter is amazing just on top of the toast or just warm bread. The little sweetness and the butteriness is definitely makes this toast another level. Alrighty, so you will need 4 slices of, just regular sandwich bread, and make sure you have a baking sheet and the cooling rack, because we are just going to broil them. So this way the bottom of the bread won't get too soggy. This is what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna spread the honey butter on top of the bread. It's gonna be so good.
We so fly.
Okay, now this is the trick for this recipe. How we're gonna keep the egg in the middle of the toast. Get a mayonnaise in a tube. You don't have to use Asian mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise, but just make sure it's in the tube. And we're gonna just make a wall, mayonnaise wall around the edge of the bread. Watch out, like this. So the egg won't run out from the bread, you know what I mean?
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be.
And also it will add a great flavor at the edge of the bread too. Win-win.
Gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds.
Delicious. So excited. Too excited. Crack room temperature egg. Make sure you're using room temperature, because I tried it with cold egg from the refrigerator. Nah. If you forgot to take the eggs from the refrigerator last night to make this recipe, don't worry. Seonkyoung gotcha. I will give you 5 minutes of room temperature egg trick. Just put the egg into hottest water you can have from your faucet and let it sit for 5 minutes. That's it. Room temperature egg right there. Bye-bye. So easy, right? Seonkyoung is the best. Okay, now I'm gonna crack the egg, the middle of the bread. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Perfection. 1 egg per toast. Don't get too greedy, put 2 eggs and you're gonna end up disaster, okay? I'm using large egg, so I will say extra large egg, you are taking a big risk. And of course, we're gonna season the egg, a little pinch of salt and pepper. Just don't put too much salt though, because we are putting cooked pancetta right on top, and pancetta, or you can use bacon too, like a cooked bacon, crispy bacon bits. They're pretty salty bites in here, and there's a mayonnaise and all that stuff too, so just kind of be careful about the salt, just a little pinch. And a lot of black pepper, because this is carbonara flavor. Carbonara, got to have a lot of black pepper. Why do I say black pepper like that? I don't know, don't ask. All right, that's good. Now, some pancetta that I cooked earlier. Maybe this is a little too much pancetta, but who cares? I'm Seonkyoung longest, I do whatever I want. And we are actually gonna finish with the cheese after they're done cooking, but why not put some cheese right now too? Because you're never gonna have enough cheese, that's why. Just slightly, not too much, because we're gonna put a tons of it later when we finish cooking. If you put too much, you will have a Parmesan cheese cracker on top of your toast, and you don't want that. Girl, control yourself, I'm telling myself.
In my world, don't worry, darling. I just smile. You're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when
Oh yeah. Carbonara toast.
Carbonara Toast.
Oh, get some of the egg yolk, some of the pancetta, and the Parmesan cheese. That's a winner right there. I don't care what you call it.
So good.
I call it delicious.
I just
What?
the truffle hot sauce on here. It's gonna be killer. Can you get it for me? Truffle is a truffle hot sauce. Not sponsored, but they sent me this package.
Man, this stuff is good.
This is a hot sauce that with truffle in it, and I think this is gonna be real good over here, right here. The hot sauce name is a truffle.
I'm gonna try. I haven't had this at all yet, so. Can you open this one? I think you got all kinds of stuff all over your mouth.
That's where it's at. That one is really not that spicy.
Well, I just want to taste the flavor first.
Dude.
Not that spicy at all, but there's definitely that truffle little kick.
Guys, if you like my carbonara
Oh, hold
toast,
on. Let me clean up first.
not my business. If you guys like my carbonara toast, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Oh, this is pretty spicy.
This one, it's hotter after you stop.
Hotter is no the spicy one. The spicy.
Even that
one
one is.
Oh yeah. Oh, this one definitely habanero in it. Woo! My belly is burning. Well, I was. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
And this is Asian at Home. Guys, if you make my recipe, make sure you take a video or take a picture and send it to me. Or tag me Seonkyoung Longest so I can like and comment to you. I love you guys. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Oh, it's perfect brunch food.
I know, right?